Hi, welcome to Walk and Talk again. Today is my 22nd video of 50 videos a day challenge. Um, so working my way through that. But at the same time, just want to share different areas what I know so that we can talk about all of that. So that if it can benefit somebody, then for sure it will be a good thing. So I want to talk a little bit about the investing, right? There are different tools and techniques, and people do the investing nowadays. And some people really are good into this one. Some people are starting out, and some people really want to learn how to do it. And there's not a one fixed set method of doing investing. There is not one way of doing things as we do in our as life has different ways of doing things, and that's the same thing happen with investing too, right? If let's say that you don't have enough money to buy a physical asset like houses or other things, that's okay. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't stop you to do investing. You can invest in stocks, you can invest in bonds, you can invest in mutual funds. All those things are available, right? If you have a little bit of more money, then if you want to be a little bit more creative about it, you can do an option trading. And if you can bear that risk and kind of do one of those things, right, you can take that route as well. So somebody really want to stay a little bit safe and don't want to risk it, I would say that mutual fund would be a good idea. If you want to work on individual stocks, like you want to buy Apple, Tesla, and other different stocks, there's so many other stocks, so many good companies available, then I would say that one thing what I learned is investing based on their yearly performance. If you see any stock which in the last 4 years you see that is consistently up like 10%, in terms of their revenue, every year it's 10% up in last 4 years when you see in Yahoo Finance, and then the quarterly shows the same way, 10% up each quarter. That could be a good one, but I don't it's just you're doing it on your own kind of risk. It's not a financial advice, but it's more like I'm sharing it. Somebody, it's just for fun only. I'm sharing it because today the challenge is to make like 50 videos, and I was making one of those videos. I did try something like that. I did find tiny bit of success in that too. It's just your patience. If you have a patience, you're a winner anyways, right? The patience is the key in the market. But there are a lot of why I'm talking about this one is basically just to tell you there are different tools, right? People who want to invest in option trading, they can do option trading, right? It goes so down, it goes so up, and if you can take a risk, you can do that. But remember, the success rate is only 10%, right? 10% of the people are successful, or maybe 5%. 95% of the people are not successful in investing, right? But that certainly applies on option trading if that's what you want. If you have a high risk tolerance, you're okay with that, then yeah, for sure you can try it. But if you have your hard-earned money is your hard-earned money, so I would say mutual funds are kind of a little bit more safe, bonds are more safe a little bit. They might go down too, right? So there is no surety in that as well. But just see last years of performance, and if that does help you. So there are different tools and techniques, and people can, because the companies can, anything can go wrong in a company, but there are good chances if it's a good company, it doesn't happen like overnight, right? So from that perspective, I still say that investing, if you do diversify, you know, instead of buying a one stock, if you have like, you know, 10 stocks or 20 stocks, then for sure one will go down, one will go up, and you don't panic, or you don't sell, you know, one of those things where, because the longer you keep it, it's not, you know, the people say it's not the timing, it's the time in the market, you know, how long you can stay. And that's what the game is, you know. If somebody, it's you know, the game is so simple sometimes, I think, that it's so hard to play. All right. So that happens to most of the investors. So there are tools, there are techniques, there are different platforms available where you can do investing, and you can talk to your bank and open an account and tell them you want to do investing. They will guide you through that. So this video is more not about anything specific, but a general thing about investing. So if you want me to talk more about it, we will do in the future, so we can have a group, we can all share our knowledge and help us each grow. So if you like my video, my effort, please subscribe to my channel, you know, write your comments and just tell me what you think, what's going on. Any other investing advice or books you want to recommend, you can put in your comments, so I can read those too, and other people too. And I like to read audiobooks and just see what you like to, how you do it. That will be good to hear as well. Thank you so much, really appreciate your time. Again, thanks.